No!
Why is Jinu staring at Mira like that?
I'm breaking his car model.
Rumi, this package is from Jinu.
From Jinu? Oh my god!
It was a gift? I'm literally so dead.
Jinu, I have a surprise for you.
No way! Is that the Lambo key?
I told you I'd make it up to you.
Get off my plane!
Haha! Look at her fall.
I survived. This isn't over. Jackpot! Pure gold. Please like and subscribe for my golden revenge. Look who's the captain now.
Is that solid gold? That's impossible.
No, mommy. No, mommy.